But this is an excellent website from John, M0UKD. I'll put a link in the description below. All you do is type in the desired frequency, click calculate, and it gives you all the measurements, as you can see. Change the frequency to whatever you want, and you can see how quickly it changes. But for the moment, we're going to stick with the 2 meter band, which is 145 megahertz. As you can see, I've put the 2 long pieces and the 2 middle pieces along with 4 elbows, just giving them a clean up before they get soldered together. I'm going to assemble the antenna like this and then cut the gap out later on. I'm not going to dwell too much on what's going on at the minute, but everything here has been made using parts I already had in the shed. You could make a Slim Jim using 1 length of copper if you carefully cut everything first, but I've decided to be a bit lazy and do it this way for strength by making it as 1 big piece, cutting the gap out later on. Just checking the spacing here before I solder it together. It's slightly wider than the calculator says, but that's to make it easier to cut the gap out and also for attaching the wires on later on. Now one end is soldered, let it cool down, turn it around, measure up the top. Measuring it like this because it's the full size outside to outside rather than inside measurements, and again, could work it out with only one copper listed using this method. Now it's all soldered up and cooled down, measuring up here just to cut the gap out, cut it out with some pipe slices. Being 15mm copper, it should be strong enough to hold its shape without putting any extra supports in. So for the connections, I'm using the bonding clamps, partly because I had them in the shed and partly because they will give a good connection. I'm not sure if the large area of metal will affect the SWR or anything like that, but I will be checking that later on. In part 2, I'm going to mount the antenna in the loft, check the SWR and hopefully check my antenna analyzer if it's arrived by then and see if we can make some contact with it.